up, YouTube? This is Freaks Ritual. This is another Sofirn light. This is another review. And I'm about to show you guys this little bad boy. It is the SF14. It's an EDC light. It's tiny. Of course, you got your standard Sofirn box. And let's open it up and see what's in it. It's your manual, your lanyard, 2 O-rings, like every other light that you get, silica gel. This is garbage, and you probably enjoy the light. Alright, if I can get it out. Alright, let's move this. Actually, let's take a look at the specs. You can use a 14500. And your normal alkaline and your Analu Pros. And alright, for the alkaline, low is 3 lumens, medium is 33 lumens, and high is 230 lumens. And for your 14500, low is 5 lumens, medium is 110 lumens, and high is 600 lumens. Alright, your 14500 on low is 100 hours, and your alkaline on low is 110 hours and 59 minutes. Medium for your 110 lumens on your 14500 is 5 hours. And your alkaline is 10 hours and 27 minutes. And high is 600 lumens for your 14500. That is 50 minutes, and 230 minutes on your alkaline is 1 hour and 30 minutes. Alright, your distance is 80 meters with your 14500. So of course 230 lumens might be a little less. Its impact resistance to 1 meter. Your beam intensity is 4000 candela, and you got an IPX8 waterproofing. That is underwater 2 meters. That is 6 feet underwater for 30 minutes. Alright, so your high says over here your high brightness will dim down to medium with your 14500 to save the LED because it gets too hot. It is a neutral tint. Alright, so let's just take a look at the light. Pretty good light. But I don't know if, no, I don't think this one you could do with a clip. You can't reverse it, so you could put on a baseball cap. I would recommend Sofirn. Other EDC lights always have a clip that you could reverse, so you could put it on a cap. It does have an orange pair reflector, Xpg2 emitter, an orange pair reflector. Should have AR coding. Can't see it. Sometimes it's hard. But I think there is AR coding. But with small lights like this, I'd rather have a smooth reflector, but just so it shoots farther out there. I can't complain for the price. I think this was $12.99. Cheap. You could throw it in your pocket, maybe keychain. That's an EDC light, so does tear stand perfect, so that's good. And let's see. I don't know why it was Not focusing. Alright, so they didn't send me a battery. I don't think, yeah, it doesn't come with a battery, only with the 18650 lights. But I'm using the Imran 700 milliamp hours, 14500. So it doesn't come with a 14500, so y'all have to order your own. But let's see the user interface. Alright, simple, 3 modes. Turn it on. You got your lowest, your medium, and your high. It's a little floody because of the orange peel, but that's it. You just tap. I don't know if there's PWM in this one. Let me see. No, I don't see no PWM, so that's a plus. Yeah, no PWM. Wait a minute. Alright, let me see if it has mode memory. No, this don't have mode memory, I don't think. Let's try it again. No mode memory. But that's okay. At least it starts on low all the time so you don't blind yourself. Alright, I just want to make sure there's no PWM. No PWM. If there is, it's really slight. But I highly doubt it. No. Alright guys, let's go take this thing outside and see what it could do. Hey guys, I forgot to show you the internals to the light, so I'm just going to show you that real quick. That's the internals. Good quality to me. Yeah, so you shouldn't have an issue. You'll be okay. Well, there you go. That's what the internals look like. I think that it's brass. I'm not too sure, but it looks brass to me, but I could be wrong. So, looks good. Alright guys, I'm taking it outside. Let's try this again. See you in a second. Alright guys, I'm near my house this time, but I gotta make this quick because my area ain't too good over here. But here it is. Sofirn SF14 EDC light. Here we go. This is low. This is medium. And this is high. It's pretty good for EDC light. So maybe I take that back. Orange pale reflector gives it a nice spread. Yeah, some decent throw. Well, I'm going to be leaving this in the description to get this light. The link. You're just hearing a car pass. Put it back to low. medium, high. This is 600 lumens. Beautiful. So you get a good amount of light for this little thing. Let's bring it back to low. Can't really see much in low. Medium. Could see pretty good. But bam, look at this. Bring it back to low. Let's do this one last time and I gotta get going. Medium. High. Turbo. That's the highest. See, Sofirn got some pretty good lights. I'm walking back. Alright guys, I'll leave a link in the description. Until next time, peace.